Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the intriguing world of Digital World Acquisition Corporation, DWAC, and its share price. Buckle up because this is going to be an exciting ride. As of latest market close, DWAC shares trading at $16.82 per share. Sigma Investing Hub. Digital World Acquisition Corporation has been making headlines lately, primarily due to its involvement in a significant merger. In this video, we'll analyze its share price, recent performance, and potential future outlook. Before diving into the stock analysis, let's quickly recap what DWAC is all about. Digital World Acquisition Corporation is a special-purpose acquisition company, SPAC, that has garnered immense attention recently due to its merger with a prominent digital platform. Let's kick things off with a technical analysis of DWAC's share price. Over the past year, DWAC has experienced dramatic price movements. We'll delve into the key technical indicators to gain insights into its trajectory. Chart patterns can provide valuable insights. Recently, DWAC's stock formed a pennant pattern, indicating potential continuation. However, it's crucial to corroborate patterns with other indicators. Identifying resistance and support levels is pivotal for traders. DWAC's current resistance is at $X, while the support level is at $Y. These levels can help you set entry and exit points. Moving averages offer additional guidance. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages reflect short-term and long-term trends. A golden cross, where the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, can signal a bullish trend. Now, let's discuss potential future targets for DWAC. Analysts are closely watching this stock. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $20, while the long-term target could reach $35. Keep in mind that these are projections, not guarantees. Risk management is essential in trading. Given DWAC's volatility, consider implementing a stop-loss strategy. Setting a stop-loss at 5% below your entry point can protect your investment from the significant losses if the stock takes an unexpected downturn. The pending merger of DWAC plays a crucial role in its price movement. Keep an eye on news and updates related to this merger, as it can significantly influence the stock's future performance. To wrap things up, Digital World Acquisition Corporation, DWAC, is undeniably one of the hottest stocks in the market right now. While it has experienced significant price swings and chart patterns, remember that the stock market is dynamic and influenced by various factors. That